Hey guys, here we are. Sorry I didn't get this up last night. I'm doing it today. Just worked late and was not in the mood. So here we go. I'm just going to do a quick thing to help you guys figure all this out, and so you're not banging your head against a wall like I did for a while. So start. I just did a quick set up scene method because it's always nice. Well, let's put it after the destroy. Yeah. Set up scene. I'm not going to be super detailed on everything. Ooh. Okay, so for setting up the scene, we need a view. So just view gets new view 3D. And this sets up that all important. Let's private var view 3D. This is basically our game screen. It's what it renders through. We don't really need any parameters here. So what parameters are for it, if there's any? Oh, you can set in a scene that we've already made, which probably if you import a 3ds Max file, once we figure that out, you can put in a camera renderer, so if we want to do something new and all that. So yeah, but we don't need to worry about that for now. Okay, new view 3D. And that sets up the screen, so when we compile, it should just give us a black screen. Oh wait, no, it won't, because we're not rendering. Okay. That's good to make sure it works. In the view, now we need to add child, just like anything else, and we just add view. And it adds the object to the thing. Just like everything else. Okay. And then, really, each view comes in with one like that. It builds its own camera, so you can go view dot camera. It's good to set things up. Dot lens dot far. Alright, lens is the camera lens, and far, it's good to set. I have it at 20,000. We can make it larger, but this is basically how far the camera will see something that's rendered, and if it's too far away, it just won't render it. It helps with that. And like games like Silent Hill, they have a fog shader, which this supports, but I haven't completely figured out. I just read about it. And the fog can basically be set to hide the stuff that's not rendered, so it can keep it optimized. But I don't think we're going to have to worry about that so much. So we can take a look. Oh wait, and then we need to update the frames. So we can just add event listener. Event dot enter frame, comma, enter frame handler. I don't really worry about the other things. Control C. And there we go. Enter frame handler, and to get things to render, all we have to do. Now, look, I'm looking over my notes. Okay. View dot render. Right down here. Bada bing, bada boom. So when we bring this up, oh, argument error, count mismatch, main to enter frame. Oh, I forgot it. Silly me. Okay, so $E. See, do I just, yeah, event gets null. Okay. I always forget that with these. Okay, and we've got it. It's rendering absolutely nothing, but it's black, so we know it's working. Because there's nothing there. And we could, I believe we can set it to be different colors in the black background, but I like black because it helps things pop out. Well, light colored things. Okay. Oop. So with that, now if we want to see something, okay, I got 10 minutes left. I can do this. We'll do setup materials, setup scene. Okay, back in our setup scene, after we add the view, set up. Let's do objects. Okay, set up objects. Okay, so first we need a new object. So let's do var. We'll call it Q. Yeah, we'll start with. I'll do a plane. That gets our plane. I think just plane. Is it plane 3D? One second, let me check. Where's the plane? Oh, I have it as a box because of. We'll do a cube 3. We'll do a cube. Let's rename it floor cube geometry. And that'll give us. Okay, gets new cube geometry. Go like that. Okay, so we need the width. Well, since this is going to be our floor, let's make the width 5,000, the height 20, and the depth 5,000. Okay, and that's really all we need. We don't have to worry about segments until mapping and such. Okay. Now if we go and render it, well, we need to add child, so and to add that we just view dot add child, just all like Flash stuff, and floor.
I love you, but no.
Go do that. Oh, implicit coercion of a 3D print. Oh, line 80. Oh, okay, so mine it's view dot scene dot add child. Okay, that was my problem. Nope, implicit coercion. One second. Let's see, add child. No, that should be good. For cube geometry, gets new cube geometry. Implicit coercion. View scene dot add child. Yeah, that should work. Am I missing something? Oh. Great. Value type Away3D primitive is unrelated to type Away3D container object 3D. Okay. Material. Oh, sorry. I figure out cube geometry. Is that segments cube axis? Okay. Sorry, I figured out what's wrong. So that gives us. Rename this to floor mesh. We need to create a mesh first, and then we'll have var floor, which is a mesh. Wait. No. Okay. We'll do shape. There. Floor as a mesh. I think this is. Yeah, this is a better way to do it. Okay, this is how to do it. Get new mesh. And then we put in a geometry we have, so that's floor shape. And then we need a material, and really we can just new color material, and C0x, I think FF1234 is red. Could be wrong, but we'll see. Okay, and then add floor, and that should actually work. I know the problem is our floor is at the same spot as our camera. So let's go back up here, camera lens, so we can do view dot camera dot, let's do x, that's negative 500, and view dot camera dot y gets 500, and this is God coordinates, or I guess God coordinates is when z is up, but y is the up facing direction. And then view dot camera dot look at, and new, it takes a vector 3D, 0, 0, 0. That way we don't have to worry about the up vector and all that. There, and you see we got our giant floor. So go back down here, and basically we can just copy this, Control C, Control V, and then let's make a cube. New cube geometry, but we'll just make it, I'll do just 100 by 100 by 100. That's a good size. Let's delete. That'll make it a nice blue color, I believe. We don't want this cube. We don't want the floor shape, although we could use it, but then we'd have to. We want to move it up a little bit, so var cube dot y, and since the pivot point, or the whatever it's called, is at the center of the object, I think we can change it, but it's nice at the center, so we just want to add 50 for y, and that'll bring it up to look like it's resting on top. And then we just add child cube. Start, and there we go. There's got, oh, it's green, not blue. Close enough. But you got our cube right there. Woo. And it shows up like that because there's no lighting in the scene. I guess I can do the next tutorial on lighting, but I'll stop this one here because I have like 2 minutes left. So yeah, I hope this is good for learning how to put stuff in. So yeah,